we're going to be fixing the solar system. Okay. Now, anyways, to start off with fixing the solar system, we're going to have a few things. First of all, Earth, all the other planets actually, are named after Greek gods. So, instead, we're going to name Earth, let's get a good color. Let's get like white. So instead, people complain that all the planets are named after Greek gods. So instead of Venus being named Venus, we're going to name it Zeus. And then we'll name Earth Venus. There. Now, people complain, oh, the moon has too much craters. JK. But instead of having craters, having so much detail, we're going to make it like every childhood drawing. A circle. We're going to make it the worst circle. JK. Wait, no. Here, let me go back. Now, instead of that, we're going to grab... Okay, I don't care. I don't want that. Where's the circle? We're going to grab this. We're going to make it there. Now, we're going to add a bit of detail by drawing in my favorite. Oh, that was way too big. Craters. Okay. Now that we got craters, there's the moon. Isn't it beautiful? And now instead of it being the moon, we're gonna name it. Here, let me make that white again. We're gonna name it. We're gonna name it Spac because it is spectacular when you see it in the night sky. All right. Next thing. People complain that Saturn's rings are too small. So, we're going to make them a bit bigger. I'm joking. Anyways, people are complaining that Jupiter's ring is too tiny to see. So, we're going to fix that. Instead, we're going to make it like Saturn's rings. We're going to grab brown. We're just going to do that. Those are like the most beautiful rings I've ever seen. We're going to add some color into it. Wow, look at that. Now, Jupiter. Does that sound like a great name? Not the most greatest, but what can I say? Anyways, now people complain that so-called now Zeus can't make sense because it is the hottest planet and it is the second planet from the sun. So instead, we're gonna grab if I can. I want to grab this. Okay, I'm done with this thing. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, anyways, we're gonna fix that later. But, yeah. Now, Uranus tilts sideways. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna fix that later. Now, since all gas giants should have rings... Oh, wait, no, we can just fix it. You know Uranus has rings? Well, we're gonna fix that. And instead of being it sideways, we're gonna make it... One second. We're gonna make it sideways like that. And boom, why don't you look at that? The world's most beautiful rings have been created. Now, Uranus, kind of a weird name. So instead, we should name it. Big idea right here. Ready? You know how Pluto isn't a planet anymore? We're going to name it Pluto. Okay, now that we've fixed most of the solar system. Okay, now, you know how Uranus doesn't... Neptune doesn't have any rings? Well, that we can see. Well, we're going to have more rings. Because why not? And instead this time, we're going to make it like Saturn, except weird. We're going to give it white rings. We're going to make its rings so just popular that Saturn can't even compare to Neptune's rings. Although Neptune is a cool name, it's a blue dot. So instead of naming it Neptune, we're going to name it Water. We're just going to name it Water. Because yes, this video is not sponsored by water. I wish it was, though. I wish it was. Anyways, Jupiter's big red spot is now covered up, which is good. And now we're going to move on to Mars. Mars, I'm sad. Actually, no. You know what? We're not going to fix you just yet. Instead, we're going to fix this problem over here. You know how Zeus, is the hottest planet? Well, not anymore, because we're going to put fire over Mercury. We're just going to set it up in flames. Real quick, here, let me just put it in flames. There, now it's hot. Now it's hot. Now it's very hot. Nobody would want to live on that. Oh, my bad. Oh. And to make the sun sounds kind of odd because other stars are named suns. So instead of naming it the sun, we're going to name it Milky Way. Wait, no. Wait, no. We're going to name it Sam. Because, yes, actually, no. We're going to name it Milky. Because why not? Because every galaxy is named after milk because the stars look like milk drops. So instead of naming it the sun, we're going to name him Milky. Now, if you guys are questioning my sanity right now, I don't know. And the sun, I don't think the sun should be hot anymore. So we're going to make it cold. So cold, in fact, that it has blazing coldness fire right on it. So, yeah. Now that the sun is pretty much frozen now, it's an ice skating ring. Now that the planets are frozen, you know how the Ice Age it was Snowball Earth? Well, we're going to make it again. Now, it's just going to be a giant, near just white thing. Wait, actually, there's a better way to do this. I forgot. Bam. There, now it's a snowball. It's back to Snowball Earth. Because it is cold again. And, I have something for you. You ready? People complain. People say it's the red planet, actually. But it's not. So to fix that, we're going to make it red. Wow. Actually, no. So we're going to make it, like, red. I'm going to grab a circle. Bam, it's the red planet. Now we're going to add some shading into it. And people also say it has the largest, what's its name? Mountain, Olympus Mons. So we're going to make it even bigger. And now it's a volcano. Oopsie, that was my mistake. We're going to make it we're going to make Olympus Mons even bigger. When I say bigger, I mean bigger. Now, we have more. Now, there is a true bigger moon. If you guys want to subscribe, you can. I really don't care if you don't want to. Anyways, back to the video. We're just gonna make blazing hot fire. This is like the most detailed fire I've ever done. Leave a like if you think this is the most detailed fire in the universe. Okay. Now, last, we're gonna fix Saturn's problem. It wants to be bigger than Jupiter. So, I came up with the greatest idea. We're going to make it bigger. So, instead of that, we're just going to... Now, it is... Actually, no. No, we're not doing that. I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh, yeah. You know how Saturn's rings are beautiful? We're gonna erase some of its rings. Because they're... Obviously, water's rings is way better. So we're gonna erase some of these rings. Because Saturn doesn't need its rings anymore. They're just a big waste of time. So instead, we're just gonna erase these rings. We're gonna make them a part of the solar system, of space. Now, since they don't exist anymore, now that this part doesn't exist, I know that looks so bad, but it's meant to be bad because I'm fixing it, and yeah, I honestly think that NASA should hire me right now because of how good my drawing skills are. Anyways, we're gonna remove more of the ring. So instead of it being black now, we have to change it to that color. And we're just gonna... NASA, hire me if you want help on fixing the solar system. But yeah, that's the solar system fix. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.